I'm a filmmaker.
Ay, ganun.
Yes.
Actually, evidence lang po ito kasi paper naman po yung
Paper, okay,
Opo.
paper.
Pwede po introduce niyo po muna sir.
Okay, I'm Mariela Fortesa, President of Rabbitland Corporation and also a filmmaker. I'm BPI CNET Inclusive Awardee.
First question po, how did you become part of this program or enterprise?
Well, basically, nagpapaplan siya sa Facebook and then nag-message lang ako kung paano mag-join. So I didn't expect na mag-email back sila sa akin na sinali agad nila ako dun sa program ng Bayan Academy.
What support or services did you receive from the organization?
From the Bayan Academy. Well, basically, syempre yung program, of course, and then the network, and then yung knowledge na sinishare nila dito sa mga social entrepreneurs, especially yung mga trainings, and the network, of course, ay yung mga isa sa mga support na binibigay ng Bayan Academy.
Good for people who has problems with their
How has this program changed your life or your livelihood?
Okay. How? Well, basically, this is the first award ng Rabbitland, yung na-receive ng Rabbitland. And then, ano siya, mas lumawak yung network. Like this, so I have this type of face-to-face workshop. And then, siguro more on, mas nagkaroon ng direction kung ano yung magiging focus mo sa business mo. Of course, as a social entrepreneurs, ano ba yung sinusolve mo na problems. Dito tinuturo nila, of course, yung step by step. So parang talagang nag-aral ulit talaga. And then, ayun, isa yun sa mga natutunan ko, of course, dito sa Bayan Academy.
Before doing the session, we had
What challenges did you face before joining the program?
Of course, yung challenges siguro it's more on awareness. Hindi pa masyadong kilala yung rabbit industry. And some of dito sa Philippines, hindi pa talaga siya masyadong regular na kinakain daily. It's more on para siyang specialty menu. And isa yun sa magandang way na naging avenue siya yung Bayan Academy to create an awareness na this rabbit meat, this product is kinakain na talaga siya ng tao. And when I'm doing the research, yung chicken, 500 years siya bago siya matanggap kainin ng tao. And I'm pretty sure 100% hindi na abot ng 500 years para tanggapin yung rabbit meat dito sa Philippines. In fact, kulang na nga yung supply, mataas yung demand, pero kulang yung supply. So hopefully, through this Bayan Academy, through the network, and of course, yung mga classmates, some of my classmates nagre-request na ng meat, diba? Hopefully matitikman nila yung rabbit meat.
And then, you know, the voices in our head now,
What is the biggest benefit you gain from this enterprise?
So far, siguro more on knowledge, and then yung network, of course, marami kang makikilala. Since this is a new network sa akin and then sa Rabbitland, hopefully, it will grow and hopefully, in the next 3 to 5 years from now, mas marami pang makaalam na ang rabbit meat ay kumakain. And ayun yung mga benefits siguro is more on network. And then hopefully a bigger grant for the Rabbitland kung papalarin. Ayun.
How this organization help your community?
Of course, it's a big help for the rabbit industry community kasi hindi pa talaga masyadong kilala, not hindi pa masyado, but kilala na siya, but hindi pa siya masyadong tanggap sa Philippines. Isa sa mga naging tulong siguro is yung nakita nila na meron na parang nagpo-promote ng rabbit meat sa Philippines, and then yung community mas lalong some of the community that we had, especially in NCR, in Baguio, Pangasinan, Rizal, and then some of the provinces like from Bicol region. Ito yung mga taong kumakontak kay Rabbitland kasi nakita nila na yung award na na-receive natin kay BPI Foundation through Bayan Academy. And malaking factor yon kasi nare-recognize na siya. Ayun.
Okay. Last question po. What improvements would you suggest for the program?
For the Bayan Academy. For now siguro, I think more of systematic na kasi yung nakita ko eh. It's more, siguro more on practical way pa. Kasi although some of the business owner are busy, di ba? And then siguro at least pinaka way like yung ginagawa na siguro like yung networking or siguro they will do the alumni event or like it's like what do you call this gathering, you know, and then maybe they will just create some more social and impactful event na they will have some bigger event, not just only here in the Philippines, and of course there's I'm pretty sure na there will be a partnership with Southeast Asia, and hopefully it will happen sa Bayan Academy. And then since dito siya nagsimula sa NCR, and pretty sure na lalawak pa yung network at magkakaroon pa ng mga social entrepreneurs sa Philippines kasi it's hindi pa masyadong kilala yung social entrepreneur eh. Ang kilala lang entrepreneur eh, di ba? And then hopefully in the next 5 to 10 years mas marami tayong community na ma-reach out, and then mas marami tayong ma-produce na social entrepreneurs, especially here in the Philippines.
Yan, thank you po so much po sa time.
Of course.
Grabe, anong luto sa rabbit?
Ano siya? Iba-iba, just similar to chicken. If you really want, I can make you marketas ano ka. Meron akong rabbit takoyaki, empanada. So,
Thank you po.
okay.
Sir,
Sir,
okay na ako. Ay, pwede na ako umalis.
Okay.
Thank
Thank you,
you,
sir.
ah.
Thank you, sir, for
Of course. Yes, anytime.
See you tomorrow.
Nice to
Nice to
see you.
see you.
Bye, thank you.
Thank you.
Ay, picture kayo.
Sure, tara, game.
Sana tayo